friends, this is Lady Flora. It's a very, very beautiful day today in the 70s, and as you know, it is St. Patrick's Day. I've got my little oxalis here, otherwise known as, some people call it Shamrock. It's not actually clover, it's oxalis, and then clover is something different altogether, but as you may have seen in one of my other videos, oxalis is edible as well as clover, and I used to eat oxalis especially when I was little, and it makes little flowers too that are sometimes purple, sometimes yellow. But yes, it's St. Patrick's Day, and that's pretty cool. And it's also a pregnancy update video, and I've got my red raspberry leaf tea that I'm drinking today. I am actually not an iced tea drinker. I don't really like iced tea. People drink a lot of it in the South and in Florida. It's just what you drink around here, and I'm just not into it. I've never really liked it, but for some reason with this pregnancy I only want to drink, I don't know, I just couldn't drink straight water. I did not like the taste of just plain water, and of course you have to be very hydrated when you're pregnant, so I started making this tea iced, and I love it, and it's like my favorite thing, and I drink like 4 cups of it a day, and it's really good. But I think it's just kind of a temporary thing. I don't know, it'd be interesting to see if I like iced tea after I have the baby. It'll be very interesting to see. But yeah, where am I? How many weeks am I now? 37 or 38 weeks, I'm not sure exactly. I think 38. Yeah, I am 38 weeks pregnant today, which is pretty exciting. We just keep going to the birth center, and then they do these tests and they check the kicks, how many times the baby kicks, and it's very special to have some dedicated time during the day where you just do nothing but sit and think about that. It's kind of meditative in a way, and that makes it really special for me, and because I feel like I'm pretty busy and I've got a lot going on. So that's been really, really nice. I actually went to take some maternity photos, which was really nice too. My husband took them, and my daughter was with me, and that meant a lot too. I don't know, it's like when you're pregnant there's all these psychological steps that you kind of need to go through to help you mentally prepare, and for some reason that was a big thing for me. I was like, I really don't want to have the baby without taking pictures first, and I took some pictures when I was pregnant with my daughter that turned out really cool, where we took an underwater camera and we went in my parents' pool and took my maternity pictures there underwater, and those turned out really cool. So I wanted to do something special this time too. Plus, you never know, this might be the last pregnancy, so it's a really important time in a woman's life. It's important to document. It's a rite of passage in a way. So I strongly recommend, if you are watching this and you're pregnant, I recommend doing photos. You don't have to do something fancy or professional or whatever. You can just go on Pinterest and look for ideas, and just try to do your own thing and just record the moment that you were about to become a mother. So it's pretty exciting. I feel good knowing that we've done that, that's out of the way. Like, part of me can relax a little bit, like, okay, now the baby can come. Well, we do need, we have pretty much everything we need, but we need a swing, because we use that a lot with my daughter. Although I probably won't use it right away, but it would be good to have. And we need some newborn diapers. We tend to do cloth diapering because that, you know, as you can probably tell, we're a little on the crunchy side, just a little bit. And so we've got some cloth diapers that we will probably use for him. But when they're newborns, it's good to just keep them in disposables for the first week or so, and so it'd be good to have those on hand. So that's it, really, just some diapers and a swing, and maybe just a few other things that we need, not immediately, but we will need pretty soon after he's born. So it's pretty exciting. Sorry if I'm kind of low-key today. It was just a crazy day at work. There's all kinds of changes happening, and things like tools that I use every day are just not working, and it's a little overwhelming, you know, when all the tools aren't working and you have to constantly be doing workarounds. Then there's more room for error, and then you might make mistakes like I did today. So it's just I'm really gonna look forward to these 12 weeks off, and hopefully when it's time to go back to work, I'll be ready and excited to go back. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this raspberry tea. It's really good. I've got this box of tea that I like, but a friend gave me some of this, and I've been using that too. So yeah, and I use agave for a sweetener. And thanks for watching these videos. If you have any questions or any interest in natural birth, please comment or message me. I love talking about natural birth, so I have to kind of relegate myself to talk about it just this one day a week, because I could go on and on. But yeah, I make these videos, the pregnancy update videos, every Thursday. And if you didn't know, I'm planning to have a drug-free, unmedicated birth at a birth center. So there won't be any option to have any kind of procedures done or anything like that. So that's the goal, that's the plan, and that's what I did with my first child, and that's what I'm hoping to do again. And I'm very excited about that. And yeah, 38 weeks, and I make nature diaries several times a week along with these videos, because I believe that connecting with nature can have a positive impact on your life. And if you're new, I would love to have you comment, like, subscribe, and share. I don't know why I say if you're new. If you were wondering, yes, I would love to have you comment, like, subscribe, and share. And then after you do that, go outside and have a sublime day.